So, what have we got here then? Live TV on my phone, 100 channels, not using data, it's not streamed on my Wi-Fi, not using anything, just free to air. How am I doing that? Well, I'll tell you. So this is the story. I was researching how to get live TV on my phone while I was in my camper, but without paying data charges or streaming charges. I've got a 12-volt TV and I've got a laptop, but you don't always want to cart those around with you. Went online, did some searching for Android TV tuners. Wondered if there was such a thing. In other words, a gadget you could plug into your phone so that you could get live free TV as you would, the same you would for a television. Came up with a few gadgets like these here, even cheaper than £10. Now a lot of them have got little tiny aerials that stick out, and apparently they only work well if you're within 10 or 20 miles from the transmitter. As it happens, I already had this gadget that plugs into my lap, which is a DB-TV tuner that obviously works with Windows. And these kind of gadgets that plug into Android phones are in fact digital TV tuners. Nothing to lose. I thought, well, why not try plugging it in to your phone using a USB-C adapter. Oh, one thing I should mention, a lot of these cheap ones online with a little aerial that sticks up, you've still got to find some way of adapting so that you can plug in a TV aerial. They all work much better if you use a TV aerial. So this one of mine, I think it was £13. It does have a socket there for that. I'll put a link to it down below. I thought, well, why not try that? Nothing to be lost. It's not going to cost anything to try it. USB-C OTG adapter, plug in the USB, plug it into my phone. I installed Pad TV, which I'd seen was a digital Android app for digital TV. Installed that, it was free. Plug this in. Went into settings. Scan channels. I'm not going to do it now. In fact, I'm using homemade aerial. Can you see it? I'll zoom out. I'm using a homemade aerial on a bit of coax. This cost me nothing to make. A bit of copper wire, a bit of coax. You've got to make sure you use the right coax. I'll put a link to the design. Anyway, I'm in the kitchen here, so I'm not getting a great signal, but put it in the window, did scan channels, and sure enough, hit live TV here. Look at all these channels I've got. BBC One, ITV, BBC Four, blah blah blah. Look, I think I got about 106. Well, actually there's more than that, including the radio channels. As you can see, I have got a couple of hundred channels, including all the radio channels and so on. And it's all free. It's not costing any data. Free to air, ordinary TV on your phone, or if I plug this into my tablet. By the way, this is a pretty ancient, if I unplug it, it's going to die there. This is a pretty ancient tablet. I plugged it in, put the antenna in the window for a better signal, and did scan for channels. Scan channels. Probably do better now. It was 66 before, you remember. Clever little gadget. Like I say, OTG cable and a digital tuner. Can't guarantee it's going to work. I mean, it's working with this ancient version of Android on this. I'll put it on the screen which version of Android. It's working with my Samsung Galaxy A21s, which is Android 10, I guess. I think it's picking up quite a few more now. It stopped there for ages. Look at that. Right, I'll whiz through this anyway. 66 channels before. Let's see how it's going to do this time. And it's finding a few more. 133 channels this time. How about that? So, as you can see, even just placing my antenna in the window has given me loads more channels. I haven't even played with this. Yeah, look at that. 4 channels. Got it all there. I think that's as much as I'm getting on my FreeSat. Look at that. Yeah, brilliant. Okay, so now I'll plug it into my other really ancient Android tablet. Oh, I need a different kind of adapter for that, which is called an OTG, because this is micro USB. Plug in the OTG adapter, Pad TV, no devices found. In fact, just plugging it in, it says open Pad TV when this USB device is connected, because it obviously knows it's there. Okay, and again on this really ancient tablet of mine. Don't want to play these for too long, otherwise what's going to happen is I shall get a copyright strike. But as you can see, all the TV channels on a tablet or a phone, no data charge, only limitation being the battery life in your gadget, because obviously you can't plug in a charger while you're watching the TV. But you should get at least an hour or two on most tablets and phones. And of course, if you rescan when you're in France or Germany or something, it will pick up other channels. I think it's going to be useful in my camper when I'm travelling around. And at less than £15, it's not going to break the bank. I'll stick a link to a couple of tuners and things down in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this, check out some of the other stuff on my channel. And if you found it useful, don't forget to give it a like, maybe make a comment, or even subscribe. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll catch you all again soon. Bye for now.